Get ready to fall in love with our 2024 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive, where reliability meets sophistication. Designed to elevate every drive, this versatile SUV boasts heated seats to keep you cozy, a crystal-clear rear camera for effortless parking, and blind spot monitoring that enhances your peace of mind. Backed by a factory warranty and our exclusive 12-month Huggable Guarantee, this RAV4 is as dependable as it is practical. At Jim Gilbert's, every vehicle comes with a full tank of gas because we believe in starting your journeys right. With full financing options, zero down, and trade-in opportunities, your dream ride is closer than you think. Plus, say hello to unparalleled affordability and comfort with a vehicle that's built to last. Give us a chance to earn your business and experience our huggable difference. Visit today for a hassle-free buying experience, and don't forget to spin the wheel for up to $500 in free gas.
We'll give you a hot